In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Google Chrome on Windows. To begin, open the web browser you are currently using on your Windows computer. This can be any browser that is already installed, since the goal here is simply to access the Chrome download page. Once your browser is open, click into the search bar or address bar so you can start searching. Next, type Chrome and run the search. This should bring up results related to the version of Google Chrome. Look for the official Google page in the results, because that is the safest and most reliable place to download the installer. Using the official source helps make sure you are getting the correct version for Windows and avoids unwanted third-party downloads. When you are on the Chrome page, click the Download button. At this point, the browser may ask you to confirm the download or choose a location to save the file. If that happens, simply continue with the download and wait a few moments for the installer to finish downloading. The time this takes can depend on your internet speed, but in most cases it should only take a short while. Once these actions are complete, you will have gone through the process shown in this guide for downloading and installing Chrome Beta on a Windows PC. That covers everything you need to know.